Hi friends, I received these socks, fitting helper socks aid kit. It's aimed for people that cannot bend over or that are recovering from surgery, or old people, or people that for any reason can't bend down. So you just put your sock like this all the way up in the accessory. You have these cords to pull it, and it's so easy. You just have to put it in the floor like this. You just put your sock all the way in the fitting accessory, okay? This is the way, the up part, the way up. And then you put it in the floor, and you just put your foot, well, the most you can to inside of it, and then you just pull the accessory like this, and your sock will come all the way up. So you are ready to go and to, well, you can dress by yourself, okay? And it also has this other accessory that will help you to remove the sock, okay? You put it like this, and you are able to remove your sock like this. So really, really easy. You put it in the floor, put your foot in, and gently pulling it all the way up. Okay, you have your sock on, and when you're finished, when you're going to bed or to get a shower or whatever, this is the removing accessory, okay? So it's really easy. If you need help to put on your socks and remove them, these are the accessories that you really need. Really recommend them. Thank you.